How to buy Amazon Prime membership. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can buy Amazon Prime membership, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Buying Amazon Prime membership is very simple, but I would recommend not use the application because on app it's quite confusing. So what I would recommend you do is you open up your browser and then you simply go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime is the official site. I will also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Now when you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, first of all you have to make sure to log into the account, right? So in my case I'm already logged in. As you can see my name here, you'll find the login button if you haven't logged in. Once you do that, you can see we're giving you a free 30-day trial of Prime. So you can tap on the start your free 30-day trial option here by just tapping the free trial option. As you have done that, you'll be able to see all the benefits of Prime subscription. So you have movies, TV and Amazon, all the music plus top podcast, and you can shop on groceries and add and more on Prime. So here you just have to select a payment method, which is either your credit or debit card in this case. So you can go ahead and make sure to enter those details, then tap on add and continue. After you have done that, and if the payment method is valid and that you have enough balance, you should be able to successfully get the Prime subscription. This way you'll be able to buy Amazon Prime membership. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.